Students, today we are going to study a new chapter, crop production and management. In this chapter, we are going to study the following topics: introduction, types of crops, agricultural practices. In this topic, there are 5 subtopics: preparation of soil, sowing, addition of manure and fertilizer, agriculture, harvesting. The next topic is storage and animal husbandry. So we will start with the introductory part of this chapter. We all are human beings and we all require food for survival. For various metabolic activities, we require food. The various metabolic activities, for example, respiration, excretion, digestion, etc. So we get our food from where? We get our food from plants by agricultural practices and animals. The process of animal husbandry is one of the methods through which we can get the food required. So what is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is the science of breeding and caring for the farm animals. In order to provide food to a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution of food is necessary. So now we will come to the topic, what is crop? When plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at large place on a large scale, it is called crop. The examples of crop are wheat, rice, cereals, vegetables, fruits. So on the basis of these crops and on the basis of season, we categorize the crops into 2 parts. As we all know, India is a vast country, so the climatic conditions of every region is different on the basis of temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. On different parts of the country and the region which are categorized on the basis of temperature, humidity, rainfall, we categorize the crops into 2 parts. The first type of crop is Kharif crop. What is Kharif crop? The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called Kharif crop. When the rainy season in India is from June to September. The examples of Kharif crop are paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut, etc. Now the question rises, why paddy is not cultivated in summer season? A question arises in our mind, why paddy is not cultivated in summer season? The answer is because paddy requires a lot of water, therefore it is cultivated in rainy season. The second type of crop is Rabi crop. What is Rabi crops? The crops grown in the winter season are Rabi crops. Their time period is generally from October to March. The examples of Rabi crops are wheat gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So, in this video, we have studied about why crop production is necessary for us, the introductory part of this chapter, and the types of crops, for example, Rabi crop and Kharif crop, and why we are not cultivating paddy in summer season. We will study the next topic in the next video lecture.